Hi everyone! Today we're going to be trying out a slime kit. This one is called Confetti Slime and the brand is by YoYo Lipgloss. We have done a few other slime kits by Horizon Group USA and this is the first time that I'm trying out a different one. A closer look. I bought this kit in TJ Maxx for $4. In the packaging it says the original, so I'm not sure if this is the first ever slime kit that was ever made. Let's open this pretty cute packaging. This kit comes with glue, contact solution, glitter, sprinkles, and the instructions. Aside from the kit, we're going to be needing a disposable container and a mixing stick or mixing spoon. Make sure this is only for slime and you're not gonna use this for food or anything else. The instructions are very easy, so let's get started. We're going to take our container and just pour all of the glue. We're going to take our glitter and just pour it all in as well. Look how cute the glitter is. Now we're going to put in our sprinkles. I think these are clay sprinkles. Now we're just going to mix. Now what we have to do is put in some contact solution. It says that we just need 2 to 3 drops and then we're going to just stir. 1, 2, 3. Let's mix. It's still very sticky. I'm going to try and mix it with my hand. So I almost used almost half of the bottle. Make sure you don't use this much. Just put 2 drops or 3 drops, one at a time. Other than that, it's pretty cool. I'm so sorry if you hear background noise. They're doing construction outside and it's getting louder. Thank you everybody for watching. As always, you can follow me on my social media sites. Have a good day everybody.